Vogue people, so yeah, this is not real Vogue, it's just Vogue inspired. I'm gonna show you my foundation routine just using a product that I'm totally obsessed with. So I'm just gonna show you a few beauty secrets, and yeah, today we're filming in my bathroom, so let's just get started. Okay, so firstly we're gonna cleanse the skin. Skincare is important, and I'm using the Thayer's Witch Hazel Aloe Vera, and I'm just gonna wipe my face with it. And I normally do this just to wipe away any old makeup or like any residue on my skin. And then before I prime my face, I focus on my brows, and I'm using the black Opal brow pencil. So I normally just brush my brow hairs up. I haven't had a wax in forever, so I just fill in my brows and try to make them look even. Okay, so it doesn't matter how untidy it is, you are going to carve it out. And what I use to carve out my brows is my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Yellow. And yeah, it's a yellow corrector, and I use that to carve out my brows. But what I do is I use a concealer brush, and I just put a bit of that on the brush, and then I carve out my brows. And then to blend it all out, I just use a concealer brush. And then I go in with my Essence Make Me Brow Gel Mascara. Okay, next up is concealing. So the concealer that I use is my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer. And the trick with this concealer is to put it on your skin and then leave it for a while. Because it's very liquidy, when you put it on the skin it almost gets a bit tacky, which allows it to conceal better. So I'm going to conceal my blemishes and my under eyes. So I'm going to leave this on for just a few seconds and just allow it to get tacky, and then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty sponge. Okay, so now we are going to focus on the foundation. Now the foundation that I'm been obsessed with, and I actually need to do a full face foundation review on it. It's the black Opal Truly Topaz Total Coverage Concealing Foundation. Now this is my go-to foundation at the moment. It just gives you the perfect coverage, and yeah, it just matches my skin complexion perfectly. And it comes with a sponge inside, so it's easy to travel with as well. So I literally just put this all over my face with the sponge, and it's just tapping motion. And then that's about it for foundation. I'm going to set my face and set my under eyes, but my eyes have concealed perfectly, and I normally set my under eyes with my LA Girl Pro Banana Yellow Powder. So a tip is to make your face like a blowfish, and that will lift the creases, so you can put the powder in so it doesn't settle in your creases. Okay, so once the powder is done, I'm just going to let that bake slightly, and I'm going to add powder to the rest of my face. And I'm using my Yardley Stay Fast powder. I've hit the pan because I'm obsessed with it, so I'm just going to dust that all over my face. just to set the foundation. And then I'm going to just contour slightly on my cheeks using my Essence Compact Mattifying Powder. And then bronze up my face with my Milani Baked Bronzer, and this is in the shade Soleil, and it's such a pretty color. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the shine. Can it focus? So I've been obsessed with this lately. Just gonna bronze up my cheeks with it. And then what I like doing is first using the Compact Mattifying Powder, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And then I always put the Milani one over, and this is like my everyday eye makeup. Something very subtle. So I'm going to apply the Milani bronzer again and just apply that to my lid. So now I'm just going to dust off where I've baked. So for my eyes I'm just going to add mascara, and this is the Essence False Lashes Mascara. I'll show you the difference. I love how my lashes look with this mascara. And then for my lower lash line, I normally just take the brush that I used and I just diffuse it underneath my lower lash line just to create a bit of depth before I apply lower mascara. For blush I'm using my Bodyography blush, and this is in the shade Enchanted. So it's just a pretty dusty pink, and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. And then for highlights, I'm going to be using my MAC Extra Dimension powder in the shade Oh Darling. So I'm also going to apply that in my inner corners, my inner tear duct. And highlighting my brow bone. And then to finish off the look, I like a naturally type lip. So I normally go in with this Woolworths Lip and Cheek pencil. It's so old, so I normally just put it in the center of my lips, and then I add this Revlon Colorburst Matte Balm, and this is in the shade Audacious, just to add a little bit more color. And I literally just dab it on. And I blend it with my fingers. And then I add a little bit of gloss. So I have a few beauty spots on my face which I normally like to enhance because it's been covered by foundation. So I just take either a liquid liner or a pencil, and I just put it where my beauty spots are. I actually learned this trick from Daisy Perkins. and she does it on her pimples. So I let that dry and then I just dust powder over it. So once that's dry, then I just take my face powder and I just dab it on it, just to blend it so it doesn't look too harsh. And then to set my face, I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Makeup Mist and Setting Spray. It's like I swam. That's what you want to feel. And just set it nicely. And this is the completed look. And this is the completed look. It's my foundation routine using the product that I'm always talking about. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this Vogue inspired makeup tutorial. Love you guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.